Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into the AI arena because things just got really interesting. Elon Musk's XAI dropped Grok 3, and the AI world is buzzing. But here's the million-dollar question. What do other AI models think about their new competition? Are they scared? Are they impressed? Or are they secretly plotting a digital takedown? We're going to find out. Get ready for some serious AI drama. So, what's all the fuss about? XAI officially launched Grok 3, the latest iteration of their AI model, and Musk is making some bold claims. He's saying it's a significant leap forward, even hinting it might be the smartest AI on Earth. This launch has intensified the already fierce competition between tech giants all vying for AI supremacy. We're talking about a battle of algorithms, a clash of code, and a whole lot of computational power. This isn't just about bragging rights. It's about shaping the future of technology. Let's start with the elephant in the room, OpenAI. Hindustan Times actually asked OpenAI's O3 Mini what it thought of Grok 3. The response? Surprisingly diplomatic. O3 Mini called Grok 3 a significant leap forward, and even admitted it might outperform ChatGPT in certain tests. But, and this is a big but, O3 Mini also threw in some classic AI caveats. The importance of real-world performance, reliability, and ethical considerations. Essentially, nice model, but let's see if it can actually deliver. That almost sounds like shade, doesn't it? Next up, Perplexity AI. They took a more straightforward approach, listing Grok 3's key features: enhanced performance, deep search functionality, and user engagement. They also pointed out that early assessments suggest Grok 3 is outperforming existing models in chatbot arenas. But Perplexity AI didn't shy away from the bigger picture, highlighting the intense competition and the ethical questions surrounding increasingly powerful AI. They're basically saying, Grok 3 is good, but let's not forget the potential downsides of all this AI power. Finally, we have Google's Gemini. Gemini acknowledged Grok 3's truth-seeking design and listed similar features to Perplexity AI. However, Gemini didn't hold back on the concerns. They pointed out that Grok 3, like any AI model, could still exhibit biases despite its focus on truth. And, even more critically, they raised concerns about Grok 3's ability to scan and process information from X, formerly Twitter, warning that it could potentially amplify misinformation if not carefully managed. That's a pretty serious accusation, suggesting Grok 3 could become a weapon in the fight against fake news. Okay, let's get a little technical here. All these models, Grok 3, ChatGPT, Gemini, they're all based on the Transformer architecture. This architecture, introduced in the groundbreaking paper Attention is All You Need, allows the models to weigh the importance of different parts of the input data. Think of it like this. When you read a sentence, you don't treat every word equally. Some words are more important than others for understanding the meaning. Transformers allow AI to do the same thing. This is crucial for tasks like natural language processing and understanding complex relationships in data. The key is the attention mechanism, which lets the model focus on the most relevant information. This is why these models are so good at generating human-like text and understanding context. Another key factor in the performance of these models is scalability. The more data and parameters a model has, the better it can perform. This is why XAI's massive GPU cluster, Colossus, is so important. With 200,000 GPUs, they can train Grok 3 on a massive dataset, giving it a significant advantage. This relates to the concept of emergent abilities, where AI models suddenly exhibit new capabilities as they scale up in size and complexity. It's like adding more and more pieces to a puzzle. Eventually, a clear picture starts to emerge. The challenge is managing this complexity and ensuring the model doesn't become too unwieldy or prone to errors. This is where innovative techniques like mixture of experts come into play, allowing the model to selectively activate different parts of its network for different tasks, improving efficiency and performance. Grok 3 is being marketed as a truth-seeking AI, but what does that really mean? It's not as simple as just feeding it facts. AI models can still generate incorrect or misleading information, even if they're trained on vast amounts of data. This is often referred to as hallucination. The challenge is to develop techniques that can ensure the model's outputs are not only accurate but also grounded in reality. One approach is to use reinforcement learning from human feedback, where humans provide feedback on the model's outputs, guiding it towards more truthful and helpful responses. Another is to incorporate knowledge graphs, which provide structured representations of knowledge that the model can use to verify its outputs. The goal is to create AI that can not only generate text but also reason about the world and understand the difference between truth and falsehood. Let's be real. Elon Musk's involvement adds a whole other layer to this story. He's known for his bold claims and his disruptive approach to technology. Some people see him as a visionary pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Others see him as an overhyped salesman. There are those who worry about his control over both XAI and X, given the potential for misinformation. You can see Musk's vision as a bold attempt to democratize AI, making it more accessible and transparent. Or you can see it as a power grab, consolidating control over a technology that could reshape society. Either way, the Musk factor is undeniable. One of the biggest debates in the AI community is whether these models should be open source. Musk has stated that XAI plans to open source older versions of Grok. Proponents of open source argue that it allows for greater transparency, collaboration, and innovation. It also allows the community to scrutinize the model for biases and vulnerabilities. On the other hand, those who oppose open source worry about the potential for misuse. They argue that malicious actors could use the model to generate disinformation, create deepfakes, or even develop autonomous weapons. This is a complex issue with no easy answers. How do we balance the benefits of open access with the risks of misuse? It's a question that will continue to be debated as AI becomes more powerful and pervasive. So, what does all this mean for the future of AI? The launch of Grok 3 is just the latest salvo in a rapidly escalating arms race. We can expect to see even more powerful and sophisticated AI models in the coming years. The key question is, how will these models be used? Will they be used to solve some of the world's biggest problems, like climate change and disease? Or will they be used to create even more division and inequality? The answer depends on the choices we make today. We need to ensure that AI is developed and used responsibly, ethically, and for the benefit of all humanity. The stakes are too high to do otherwise. Alright, that's a wrap for today's deep dive into the Grok 3 drama. So, who do you think will win this AI war? Is Grok 3 a game changer, or will OpenAI and Google stay on top? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI news and analysis. The AI landscape is constantly evolving, and we'll be here to keep you informed every step of the way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.